ISE 2024. We are on the afternoon of day 3. Is that correct?
Feels like 5, but I think it's
It feels
3.
like day 45. Never mind 5.
All shows are the same.
We are lucky enough to be on the Cerasonar stand with global sales.
Dave Williams. It's a pleasure to be here with you, Ben, as always.
Yeah.
And as you mentioned, I do look after global sales for Cerasonar.
Yes.
So global AV sales, very happy about it, actually. Yeah.
Good. It's a
very
beautiful
happy about
brand.
it.
I have actually installed these myself, so I do know something about them.
Fantastic.
So
Well
it'll
done.
make your job a little bit easier, won't it,
It
mate?
does. I appreciate that.
Okay, first things first, tell me a little bit about Cerasonar.
Okay, so Cerasonar, it's a family company started by Ura Kranka, and a lot of this is his original design principles, a little bit different to what the other guys are doing. Fully family-owned business, though, so now it's actually being run by his middle son, Konstantin, and he's now taking over all of the design aspects and everything too.
Cool.
But it is really a family affair because they've also got the other son working in the business too. There's a daughter-in-law who's now looking after marketing.
Is it just cheap labour?
Oh, it's got to be. It's got to be. That's why they can afford me.
That's
You know,
it, yeah.
Yeah.
Go on, mate. So, what have we got on show today?
Okay, so what we've got here is our ultimate speaker range.
Okay.
Okay, so what we've got here is a combination hybrid. So we have actually an exciter panel, but as well as the exciters, which give you that really sweet sort of vocal and mid-range, we actually have a mid-woofer in here as well, an 8-inch driver.
All right.
To give you that extra depth, which ordinarily in a panel is quite difficult to produce. So this is a standalone, fill out everything type speaker, one speaker solution for you.
It's like an invisible hi-fi system.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly what it is.
That's incredible.
We've actually got these mounted in a back box.
And so this is their design too?
Yes. Yeah. So the back box you don't actually have to have, but if you want to isolate that sound, because with a panel, what happens is it's actually a dipole, so you get as much sound going back as you do going forward. It's just the way it works. So these will help isolate. We also have a particular one here that's designed for in-ceiling, for if you have noisy, say, HVAC or something.
Okay.
You can actually decouple. So you can put a back box and decouple as well.
I'm guessing that's going to help with upstairs noise as well.
Exactly. Sound transfer. Yeah.
That's really good.
And we can offer that as a solution for each of these panels, no problems whatsoever.
It doesn't matter anything through the range, you can get these in.
Correct. Yeah, we can
Brilliant.
do back boxes for the whole range. Yeah.
Fantastic. All right.
And then we also have a brand new outdoor series.
Feel like
which
we
are
should.
Concrete. Yeah, beautiful little speakers.
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
Well, the amazing thing is they're actually only a 4-inch driver in these, but the sound output is insane.
Yeah.
So they have their own actual DSP amplifier.
Okay.
And so you can actually get a preset tune, which gives you a nice little bass boost. So you're getting a remarkable sound from a 4-inch. But when you want those higher volumes, we have a different setting. Go with the sub.
Go with the big boy.
And the 12-inch sub is actually an aluminium cone long throw. Amazing sound.
Yeah.
Outdoors, I've heard these actually in Germany in a garden. Wow. It's insane. It's mind-blowing what you can
this
get.
is European design at its greatest, isn't it? I love it like a polished concrete, super sexy, around your pool.
Yeah.
Winning.
I'm going to be honest. I think I don't think this is Ulrich's design. I think this is his wife.
You
Because
reckon?
it's way too cool.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's a bit mean, but
Way too-
it's fair enough. It's fair enough. So is there any other combinations of these you can get? How many can you put on?
Look, you can add as many as you like with what amplifiers you want, really, around your garden. But they also come in the standard concrete finish, an anthracite, or a white.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Completely weatherproof. There's a video actually of the original release with them covered in snow out in the garden, still playing, still light going. It's like, sensational.
And
Yeah.
whereabouts do we get these in the UK? Are these going to be available soon?
Yes, so Elders Systems is the distributor of choice in the UK. Contact them and they can, they've actually got a great demo facility and they've got quite a few dealers around the country now as well.
Cool.
So yeah, absolutely, get in touch with them. Any other countries, of course, get in touch with us at Global AV Sales and we can put you in touch with the relevant people in each country.
Brilliant. Well, we'll put those links below, but we don't finish there, do we?
We don't.
Because we've actually got over
here
stuff over here.
Yeah.
So we're going to cut.
We're going to go
move
nerdy.
over there. Ready? Okay, Mr. Williams, take me through the nerdy stuff, please.
Okay. So this is the back of the 4080 Ultimate that we were looking at over here, the hybrid speaker system.
Cool.
Where we actually have 2 exciters on the top of the panel, but then we also have the 8-inch driver down here for the extra bass.
That's significant.
Yeah, as you can see, we've got the full crossover and protection built into it as well.
Yeah.
So once it's in the wall, you don't have to worry about it.
Okay.
But we also have other series. We have products like the Retrofit, which again, this is the back of. The front, of course, just looks like a straight panel.
Yeah.
But the idea is just that simplicity, it's background sound, also good for wet areas. So you can put them into bathrooms and saunas, whatever you like too.
Nice.
Plaster in, never be seen again.
Done.
But real simple. You can even do these if you want them in the commercial environment. We can even do them with 100-volt line.
Ah, interesting.
Yeah, which is
That
kinda
is
cool.
super clean. So
Yeah.
for hotels and bars,
Perfect.
very, very nice.
Exactly.
What else we got?
Well, then we go to what we call the reference series. Now, this is your more hi-fi sound. These really are a panel with some beautiful, beautiful mid vocals. They go down relatively low.
Okay.
But to really get that full frequency, you need to put them with a woofer.
And is that through exciters on the actual unison cells, and that's why you say it's not like this? You have to give it a
This
woofer.
is straight exciters only. The frequency range with an exciter will only go down so far, and that's where you put the woofer in, and it really helps. The technology actually that Cerasonar uses is quite different to anyone else. The panel itself, the panel material and its thickness actually gives them a much sweeter, a more dynamic sound than most exciters.
Oh, nice, okay.
So beautiful for hi-fi guys. You remember that one?
Yeah, I mean, it's unusual to see a subwoofer completely plastered over as well.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, we vent them.
Yeah,
Ideally, you want these vented.
of course.
But
Because there's so much air being moved.
yeah, and it's wow sound, really quite incredible. Yeah.
Again, I'm
Of
lucky
course,
enough to hear them.
Of course.
They're great.
And then if you're a real crankhead and you want to really thrash it out, we can still do it.
The big boys.
So we literally go with the reference style speaker, but with extra exciters, higher power handling, still with the same protection on them and everything like that. Add the woofer, but these have got serious volume.
Well,
Serious.
I mean, when it says high SPL,
Yeah.
it's
Yeah. And it is.
crackers.
Well, this panel right here actually has one of these either side and a bass woofer.
Yeah.
And it's so loud. Every time we put it on, like people are just running around here. It's it's great to see.
It is. I mean, we had them at EI Live, I think 7 months ago, and it was probably one of the noisiest demonstrations that were going on at Farnborough.
And people will say you can't get any volume or quality out of a panel. I'm sorry,
that's it.
you can. You just need Cerasonar. You just need to come and see us. That's it.
Well, I think we leave it that way because that's probably the best line unless we're missing anything.
Well, look, all I would like to say to everybody is if you want to get in touch with us or more information, cerasonar.de, you'll find everything on there.
Cool.
Alternatively, if you want to talk about sales, contact us here at Global AV Sales. Our website is globalavsales.com. We'd love to hear from you and get everybody into invisible speakers because they're well worth it now. They're well worth a good go.
He's good, this guy, isn't he? Appreciate your time. Thank you, Dave.
Thank
Cheers,
you, mate.
Let's go.
Always appreciated. Thanks, guys.